In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Google Drive files offline, a feature incredibly useful for those moments when internet access is limited or unavailable. Imagine you're traveling, on a flight, or simply facing a connectivity issue at home, but you still need to access important documents. With Google Drive's offline capabilities, you can have peace of mind knowing your files stay at your fingertips. First things first, let's explore how to enable offline access on your computer. Begin by opening Google Drive in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're connected to the internet at this stage, as you'll need it to initially set up offline access. Once you're in Google Drive, you can individually select which files you want to access offline. Simply right-click the file you need, and then choose Available Offline from the menu. This action prepares your chosen file for use without an internet connection, saving its latest version right to your device. Moving on to mobile devices, which many of us rely on for quick access to documents on the go, the process is quite similar. Open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet and locate the file you wish to make available offline. Tap the three-dot menu icon next to the file and then select Available Offline. It's as easy as that. Your file is now stored directly on your device, ready for review and editing whenever you need it. Now, if you'd like this process to be even smoother and more automated, especially when working with multiple documents, you can enable offline access in Google Drive settings. Let's dive into how you can do that. Back on your computer, look to the upper right corner of Google Drive where you'll find the gear icon. Click it to open the Settings menu. From there, navigate to the Settings section and scroll down until you see the option for offline settings. Here, you'll be able to select Create, Open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Once activated, Google Drive will automatically sync your recent documents, saving you time by keeping everything up to date and readily accessible even when you're not connected to the internet. Whether you're choosing files individually or setting up automatic syncing, these methods ensure you're never caught off guard by a lack of internet. You can rest assured knowing that the documents you rely on are ready when you are. This built-in feature of Google Drive is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone else reliant on quick, dependable access to their important files. So, next time you anticipate being off the grid, just take these steps to prepare and keep your digital world running smoothly. Happy organizing, and see you next time.